Today we're making baccalà with potatoes. Beautiful, it is delicious. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today I'm going to cook a recipe which is baccalà with potato and a very popular set of Italy. It's quite nice. Baccalà, you got to soak them in water for 2-3 days, couple of days at least, because when you buy them, it's very salty. It's got a lot of salt on. That's why I preserve for a long time. You can keep in the fridge for a long time. So a couple of days before, you put them in water, change your water 3 times a day, or even more, and it will take all the salt out. And that's what it is, what it look like. Yeah, you can see here. First thing, I'm going to put some extra virgin oil in the pan, just to cover the bottom. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to just brown a little bit. You don't want to put any salt, because the baccalà is already salted. But later on, when we put the juice and tomatoes in and potato, then we'll taste. If it's not enough, we might put a little bit more. I'm just going to turn the other side a bit. Now I will put the onions in, some parsley, garlic. Oh, no salt, sorry. A little bit of pepper. And some capers. Probably put a couple of spoons. And also I'm going to put this green olives, preserved in a brine. All I got to put after that, no more, to give extra bit of flavor. A couple more. This is a little bit of thyme, which give extra flavor. I'm gonna add a bit of white wine. That's it, just to give more flavor. And the last thing we're gonna do, put peeled tomato in. I'll just chop the tomato a little bit, because the tomato, they're hot. It's all homemade stuff here. Everything fresh. It's all fresh from the garden. Parsley, garlic, onions, thyme, and tomato we peel. We done some tomato. We peeled ourselves and put them in jars. And olives too. It's all homegrown. Probably 5 good-sized potato. And when you do this recipe, you gotta cut your potato like a wedge. Taste even better. Don't go just across like that. They look that nice and wedge. That's always we do this way. So potato goes in. Okay, now I'm taking the baccalà out. It's nearly cooked, and the potato they will finish cooking in this juice with the tomato, and then we put this one back in just when the potato they cook. Now I'm topping up with a little bit of boiling water. Just cook them on a low to medium flame. And then, like we said before, when the potato will try when they cook, we'll throw that a little bit more in and we'll get a better flavor. And we'll touch the salt. It's a simple recipe, quick and delicious. I hope so. See, this baccalà is from a real deep sea fish. Very healthy. I put the baccalà in. As I said before, now I'm going to try the salt. It's enough. Actually, it's quite good. Just nice. The baccalà and potato, it's cooked, ready to eat. I'm just going to try a bit. First, I will try the potato if they're cooked. This is the baccalà. It's so delicious, beautiful. For people who haven't done the recipe, you should do it. It's so good. It is delicious. Buon appetito!